Welcome to the Custom Life Vlog. My name is Frank, and on this channel we take you to car shows all over the country. And this weekend we are in Lake Havasu, Arizona for Havasu Meltdown. So we got a lot of stuff going down at this show. It is a car show, a truck show. First and foremost, that's what it is. It is a car and truck show. But we have a couple bands going down tonight. Not just any bands, but Authority Zero. Authority Zero is headlining the show tonight with a couple other bands. It's gonna be so sick. Me, being a punk rock music guy, I'm super stoked about that. Okay, that's a wrap. Once again, another showdown here at Havasu Meltdown. It was a lot of fun. The concert was amazing. Authority Zero, all the other bands. Rumor is there is some footage around the internet of me and Shane in the pit having a great time. So I don't know where that'll pop up. Anyway, thanks for checking out the Custom Life Vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe. And a big thank you to Shane and Unforgiven for hosting this event. It's our first annual event. Hopefully there's many more. Hopefully it grows. And I can't wait to see it. So we'll see you at the next show. Later.
We're at Havasu Meltdown 2023.
Greenland had good flavor, but
Are you watching? Hit that like button and subscribe. Yeah.